We have put the sample as initial mass is 5 kg. Then it's going to rotate 500 revolution or rotation. Now you have to set machine 0. Then you start. After 500 revolutions or rotation of this machine, we stop machine, then we move the sample from machine and go to sieve. Then we are going to take the sample from our Los Angeles abrasion machine. Then we're going to use the sieve of 1.7 sieve. Able to sieve properly. Then after sieving, we are going to measure this retained on that 1.7 sieve on the balance. Then you record the mass of weight of retained on 1.7 sieve. We have 3 kg.942. Remember that initial mass on our class B was 5,000 grams or 5 kg. Then we are going to calculate weight passing on sieve equal to initial mass minus the weight retained on that sieve. Then we are going to calculate Los Angeles abrasion value. This is equal to weight passing on sieve 1.7 divided by initial mass, which is 5 kg times 100. We take this divided by initial mass times 100. That means Los Angeles abrasion value of this coarse aggregate is 21.16. Thank you very much.